Is Amahle being ignored by the Mseleku family? And another question is Tirelo the first wife? As people are comparing these two, remember Tirelo Mpumelo wamguqela ngedolo and asked her to marry him. And then as for Amahle, people are comparing Amahle wahamba wayocelwa ngakibo, and it was all just for the show. And people are even bringing out the fact that even on the show, we do not see these two, Amahle and Mpumelo, being cozy together. I mean, except for a few days where Mpumelo started posting our photos, Amahle. And another thing, on Amahle's life, we've seen where she's at Mpumelo's flat. However, people are saying that, no man, Tirelo is the first wife. And you guys tell me what you think in the comment section about this, because we see Tirelo goes to visit Abomayeni, and she even, involved them on her new campaign for this brand. Laba akade bese fish market, with the family. And people are saying, how is it we don't see the Mseleku family, interacting with Amahle like that? Or there must be trouble in paradise. Not to mention the virginity drama that happened during, Amalobola negotiations. You guys tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Is this just for the show? Or as others say, Amahle is more important because wahamba wayocelwa ebadaleni, other than Tirelo abaphonga umguqela ngedolo. So tell me what you think in the comment section down below. Let's talk. Don't be shy, just type. See you on the next video and in the comment section.